In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find my account number by ATM card. First, the most direct method is by visiting an ATM operated by your bank. Insert your ATM card, enter your PIN, and navigate through the on-screen menu. Look for an option such as Account Information, View Account Details, or Mini Statement. Some ATMs will print out a slip that includes your partial or full account number along with your recent transactions. However, for full details, some machines may instead direct you to log in to online banking or contact customer service. If the ATM doesn't show your account number directly, the next step is using your bank's mobile app or internet banking platform. Open the app or log into your bank's website and go to the account summary page. Your ATM card is typically linked to a specific checking or savings account, and once you're logged in, you'll see the full account number listed under that account's details. You might be required to verify your identity via OTP or biometric login to access this information for security reasons. Another option is checking your bank statement, either printed or digital. If you've used your ATM card for transactions, those statements will show the linked account number, usually at the top of the document. You can also contact your bank's customer support, and after answering a few security questions and providing your ATM card details, they can confirm the associated account number for you. It's important to note that while your ATM card number and your account number are related, they are not the same. The ATM card number is unique to the card itself, while the account number is linked directly to your bank account. That's it. Thank you for watching this video.